Okay, everybody, in the previous lessons, we are completing our project that a student grade tracker. We create many options, many possibilities. We create getting a student number by his or her age, grade, and getting a student number by his or her name. And we also create a deleting function, but we didn't create a changing function. Now we want to create a function that can change a name by getting his ID. How? Okay, let's say we have a student ID. How we get a student ID? We get it in a student number. I think yes, a student number. Let me print it here, a student number. Sorry, we must rerun the code. Let's give it three students. First is Alex, 25. What is the problem? I think we must start running from the topper. Or the problem is what? It says that the type object does not support item assignment. Where is the problem? Let's do it again and see what is the problem. 3, Alex, 5. Okay, we have a serious problem here and I don't remember what is the problem is. Let's see and try to debug it. I think we need to run this code first. Let's do that. Okay, we have a dictionary. Now, for example, Alex. Okay, Alex. Okay, we have a problem. Oh, sorry, we don't have a problem. I am such an idiot. 3, Alex, 5. Okay, it's working great. And we name it what? Mia, 51, and Medusa, 42. Okay, we create the names. Now we want to get the student number by his or her name. When we run it, it gave us error because what? It gave us error. I don't remember why the error is giving, but I think it has something to do with this. With something that we created in the past, but it's not working now. Oh, it's here. Sorry, bro, we forget to define a student number and the problem is here. We need to define a student number. Let me just define it. A student number. I think we defined a student number. We don't define a student name. Okay, now it's equal to Alex. Now when we run it, where is the problem is now? It's here, if list value xx. Okay, I want to teach you about debugging. What we do at first, we write the values to see what is the problem is. Okay, when we run it, let me just cut it. Control Z. Let me just print this option here and see what is giving us. Okay, it's giving us the Alex name that we put here. The list value first is equal to Alex. And the student number list value xx is equal to Alex. So this is the problem here. Let us see the dictionary. I think we have a problem in our dictionary. Let's run it again. 3, first Alex, 50, Medusa, 25, Lila, 62. Now let's see our list. I think we have a problem in our dict. What is our dictionary name? I guess it must be dict. You see what is the problem is that the problem this dict I don't know, it appeared from nowhere and it's trying to make everything hard for us. Because of that I'm going to put a dict empty here. Okay. 3 Alex 52 Elsa 12 Mia 20. Now let's see our dictionary. Okay, it's working great. Now let's see if our getting a student number is working right. It's working right. How do I guess? Because if now I show and print a student number, it's going to give me the student 3. For which name? For the name Alex. So we have a problem. If the Alex is a student 3, we have a problem. Why? Because the Alex is a student 1. Let's run it again. Now let's see a student number. It's 1. The code is running great and we can get a student number by his or grade here. Okay, we have our student number. What we're going to do in the next part, we are going to change the student number name and set it. We are going to assemble this line of code together in one part. Okay, until the next lesson, have a nice day and ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer, and please like and subscribe.